So you can probably all guess, right, what this does. If not, what are you doing here? There's packages, right? You can import packages. You've got a function main, and it prints out hello world. So let's think about how we might represent some of the BGP stuff that we just learned in Go. Well, I said that BGP servers communicate over TCP. So the first thing is there needs to be some process for one BGP server to talk to another BGP server. So you're going to notice, much like C, Go has structs. If you don't know C, structs are kind of like objects with fields, but with no methods, right? It just has data. And then you'll see there's a name and a type. A name and a type, a name and a type. Nothing particularly complicated, nothing particularly fancy, it just works. As an aside, I will say the curly brace has to be on the same line, or it doesn't compile. They're very opinionated, right? But we'll talk about that too. So here we go. What do we send over those connections? Well, we're going to send route announcements, right? Which has the AS path, which are unsigned 32-bit ints, right? So we've got an array of those. And then we have a prefix, which is just a bunch, an IP, a CIDR block or an IP range, right? It's just a bunch of contiguous IP addresses. And that's the route announcement that we'll send back and forth. So here's how we model our data. And then we have this other type, announcer, which is an interface. Just like in a Java interface, right? It's no implementation, it's sort of function signatures only. So in this case, we have announce. You can announce a route announcement, and it will return an error. And if there's no error, return nil. And same thing for withdraw. So, okay, I've got